Hey, back up, police. Back up.
Ooh, damn.
Hey, what's wrong with him?
No.
Can you help me pull him down to
They didn't split his McNugget.
the ground for me? 10-4, we got one passed out. No, keep him all the way down.
Well, you know, they done knocked your ass out cold when your feet go like this. You see how his feet laying to the side? That's not even
the ground, sweetheart.
comfortable
Put
when
his
you're
hand down to the
alive.
ground. All the way, yeah. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, bud. Hey.
Who hit him?
Hey, everybody, hush, and we'll get to investigating. Don't even have an attitude with me right now. Y'all called. So don't. Hey, relax.
Hold on.
Hey, sweetheart, relax for me.
Hold
relax.
on, man.
Oh, good.
Boy, you was just taking a nap on somebody's floor. You not good.
You're good. You passed out. You're good.
So just
hang on.
Oh shit.
Listen to that phone. Shut up. I mean, tell your sister, shut up.
I'm good, man.
Hey, bro.
He look like he packing too. You might want to listen to school.
Bro, you passed out.
No.
He is.
You passed out.
No, good.
It's okay. All right, if you want to sit up, that's fine. All right, just hold on. You passed out, diggity dog. All right, chill out.
Big dog.
You are gonna lose your balance. Can you sit for just a second? Yep. Sit.
I'm good,
Sit.
bro. I'm good.
Sit.
Yeah, please let me up, please.
Hold on, you passed out, dude.
No,
Have
I'm
a
good.
seat.
I'm good.
No, you're
I
not.
promise I'm
You were
good.
passed out when I got here, so have a seat. You
I'm
have a
good,
gash on your
man.
head.
Good.
You got EMS on the way. You need to get checked out, dude.
Get me out. I'm going home. I'm good.
No.
He got warrants. He ain't trying to get seen by no cops.
Have a seat, dude. I'm not gonna tell you yet. Have a seat.
I'm
have a
good,
seat.
man.
Have a seat.
Y'all straight, bro.
Have a seat.
Y'all good.
You got blood on you, man, and you passed out, okay? Hey, can I get someone to let my officer in? Can you tell me your name?
My name is Travion. I'm straight.
More than you had on the menu.
Sorry.
Hey, what happened?
Everybody out there saying they didn't see anything.
Saying what?
They didn't see anything.
Okay.
All right, I need somebody to talk to one of the employees. He was passed out right here with blood. So,
Somebody knows something.
I mean,
They just working like ain't nothing happened. Somebody knows something.
he's got a big old knot on his head. Something happened, and he's passed out right here. So I need someone to talk to somebody right there.
Did any of y'all see what happened?
No, he came up here acting crazy. I don't know what for, but it's like he tried to attack a pregnant lady. Like,
Okay.
he got what he deserved.
Do we know where that pregnant lady is?
What?
Do we know where the pregnant lady is that he
My son,
attacked?
she's in the back.
So he attacked her?
Yes, he's been in here doing the most.
Okay, so who beat him up? Do we know?
No.
Okay. Okay, where that lady, where your sister at? Who? Right here? Oh. What's going on? You okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
You don't need an ambulance or nothing? Okay, so do you know this dude?
I don't know him. He just came in. I guess he's drunk or whatever. So he was like, well, I ain't going to rest. I get my money naked. So I walked up to him. I said, stop being disrespectful to me. I guess one of them gave him naked. He threw them nuggets at him.
He threw him at who?
He threw it at me.
Did anyone else see him throw the nuggets at you?
Yeah, the camera.
Can you
Oh shit.
pull the camera up for me?
I can't put, I'm not a man.
Who can pull it up?
Why?
And they making me want McDonald's fries right now.
Can you ma'am, can you pull the camera up so I can see him throwing the nuggets at her?
You can have a
What ain't she supposed to have a cap on, like a little net for her hair?
seat on a chair. Hold on, let me bring a chair to you.
That's I sit on the ground. That's it.
We definitely need to get you checked out because you were passed out. At least let EMS look at you, okay?
I would never be able to show my face at this McDonald's again if somebody knocked me out.
All right, though. I'm straight.
Listen, you possibly have a concussion, all right? You got a big old knot on your forehead. Can you tell this officer
Not today.
what happened to the best of your ability?
I just came in to get my food to go home. That's it, man. I ain't trying to do nothing else.
All right, it's a little bit more than that because you were passed out. So what happened?
I just came in to get my food to go home.
Your head just busted by itself?
So after he threw the nuggets at her, because he's in the wrong, who knocked him out after that?
They want to see the camera. You on your way? On his way. He said he'd be here around 15.
Okay, so he threw the nuggets. So after he threw them, he stood there and kept cussing.
He was still going on and on. He would not shut up.
So and he was
He
cussing,
would not leave.
and he was cussing the pregnant lady.
Yes.
And then Buddy put the hands on him. And where is he at?
I don't know.
The McDonald's dude that beat him up.
I don't know.
But he's left for the day. He's left,
I don't know if he on the property or he gone yet. I don't know.
but he's not back here cooking food.
No, I don't see him.
I came in here to get my food. That's all.
Was there any verbal altercation that happened between you and the employees?
No,
Hell yeah.
I was outside. First I was outside, and then I came in here to get my food.
Well, how'd you get the gash on your head?
Ma'am,
How'd you get the cut on your head?
because I was in the car.
Oh, okay.
And I came inside here
Okay.
to get my food.
I think I know what happened. So based off,
Here, hold on. Tell her. Ferguson, talk to him.
so from what everyone's saying, the pregnant lady who was taking his order, he's yelling at her, you know, being obnoxious. She gets the nuggets, gives them to him. He gets the nuggets, and like throws it at. He wouldn't leave. So at some point, one of the workers from back here came around. They got to fighting, but the McDonald's guy won. And that's how he wound up busted up. So it looks like he was the primary instigator. Yes, he initiated everything. All right. So we got, and I'll get the managers
That's gotta suck if you get knocked out and you get arrested.
on the way to put the surveillance. Yeah, but he's about 15 minutes away. But we got, you know, disorderly conduct on him, simple battery. And
He smells intoxicated, so I don't know.
public intox.
Yeah. When I came up, he was totally passed out. So he's got a big old knot right there on his forehead. Was there a fight? Verbal altercation where an employee took that straw thing and hit him on top of the head. But you can see he's got a little gash right there.
Yeah, he sure does.
Yeah, just check him out, make sure he's good. He's probably not gonna go with y'all, but cover our grounds.
He threw his nuggets at them.
Okay.
Continued acting very disorderly, cussing everybody. Apparently another guy knocked him out because it was starting to get physical.
So do we know what they want to do? See what they want to do. You want him barred?
Yes.
Okay. Are you, Mama?
I'm the who's he stay with, so I need.
Oh, okay, okay. Give him a second. He was knocked out. He got hit right here. So let EMS check him out, make sure he's good. But
So did it happen here?
Damn, your mama fine.
yes, we're trying to figure out what's going on and what we need to do. Okay.
A McDonald's worker now gets into another verbal argument with this lady as she's walking out.
Okay, but I'm not talking to you, bro. I got somebody on the way to you. You grown.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
You at work. You grown. Okay.
She don't give a damn. She ghetto. Baby, she is ghetto.
I'm saying though, y'all don't feel like
Hey, you're good. Step outside for me, okay? Let's wait for it to cool down a little bit.
Oh, why are we yelling? Man,
Come sit down.
you need to just make sure she's good, so we don't want to take her to jail.
I'm keeping her back here.
Okay. The pregnant lady was like, I'm getting it. He kept cursing at her while she's getting it. She brings it out, and he takes the nuggets and just throw them at her, and then starts cussing everyone else out. So they start cussing him out back. So he refused to leave. So then one of the male guys back here came over and was like, buddy, you need to go. And they got the scuffling, but the McDonald's worker won, and that's how he wound up busted up on the table.
While waiting for the manager to arrive to watch the surveillance footage, the angry female worker from earlier comes outside and begins arguing with the suspect's
I knew she was gonna be a problem.
family.
Okay, are you her mom?
Yeah.
Can you please take
She's
her?
not gonna calm down.
If she don't calm down, she may wind up going to jail for
She
disorderly
don't care.
conduct.
She already got a record. So I'm telling you, she ADHD. She's not gonna calm down.
Oh, damn. It's always the ones with the disorders.
Can't take her home somewhere?
She working.
Hey,
She's about to go for disorderly conduct. She don't shut him out.
man. No. We tried.
Everybody get for obstruction.
Ooh.
Okay.
Whoa. What happened?
No. We tried.
Everybody get for obstruction.
Why would you go at him and you pregnant? What the hell? What is wrong with this family?
Okay, they're calling to back up. Tell them to back up.
Man, what you locking me up for? You think I'm talking?
We begged you.
Okay, you begged me. Let you know.
Hey, Doja Cat, hey, Williams.
I'm not fighting you at all.
Y'all get him out here. I'm the general manager of the restaurant. Go.
I ain't if I was the manager, yeah, all y'all would have been fired.
Go. You need to go. Y'all need to go.
Do you want to
I
ban
want
him?
him barred. Get him out of here.
All right. He wants you barred. Hey, he wants you barred. You can be barred if you don't leave. Leave right now. Leave.
Listen, I'm not fighting you at all.
She said puta. He can't even curse in Spanish right.
I'm not fighting you at all.
Yeah, outside the car.
Out of here.
Ma'am, come on.
Arrested for nothing because you want to be loud and ghetto in front of the cops. Why not wait till they at least leave? Like, oh my God, bro.
You're doing too much. You're doing too much. She talking. I'm talking.
Yo,
Ma'am, slide in.
relax.
I'm not fighting y'all at all.
She's gonna pat you
I'm
down.
not fighting y'all.
Stop yelling.
Okay, here. That's what I'm saying. Y'all sitting here doing this away. I'm not fighting y'all at all. Huh? Y'all here. Stop. I'm not.
And this is what you call ghetto and low vibrational.
All right, get in the car. Y'all locking me up for talking? She talking
It's
too.
disorderly conduct.
Okay, but she is talking.
Sit back.
I'm sitting back, ma'am. I'm not going to fight y'all to do y'all job.
You're 17?
Yes. Ma'am, please walk away. I gotta walk away. This is my dog.
Man.
Walk away.
Man.
This is my dog.
Man, please go over there for me.
Come on.
Please go over there.
This is my dog.
Walk away.
Hey, I'll get her name. I'm gonna just take her.
You got her?
Yeah, I'm going 1042 or 10 to jail.
Oh, here's her airplane.
You got a rape you?
Yeah, I got it.
Hey, you got that citation for us?
What citation?
The disorderly conduct?
For her?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm taking her right now.
You can write it?
Yeah, I'll
okay.
take it.
All right.
When I can get out this parking lot, I'll start talking to you.
Okay.
I'm trying to get out this parking lot.
Yeah, tell me, please. Tell me.
That's the man?
Yeah. Right here should be fine, just so I can see.
Oh, yeah.
Damn.
Can I tell you something?
Yes.
You need to learn how to control your emotions.
I control my emotions.
You weren't doing it there?
Sure.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Do you think I want to take you to jail when we already got a dude up in there that's throwing nuggets at a pregnant lady? Do you think I want to do this?
I know, but
But you're not working with us. I begged you. I said, please,
okay, but
go home or go in the office. Please, I begged
Pretty
you.
much.
And you just kept going. You need to control your emotions, okay? At least I gave you the respect of begging you for like 15 minutes, then putting you in handcuffs using my hands without having to fucking use a weapon and bust you upside the head like a lot of these motherfuckers I be doing. But you don't respect me back because I begged you to just relax, control your emotions. We come to work, we don't want to put motherfuckers in handcuffs, but work with us.
Exactly.
I want you to sign on that X citation for disorderly conduct, okay?
Thank you.
So where did you
So with what we saw on video surveillance, he was throwing food at the employees. He almost went behind there. That's why an employee hit him because it's about to turn physical between him and the employees. So that's when he got hit. So he's getting charged with the disorderly conduct because they instructed him to
Damn. He getting charged and he got knocked out. Buddy is not having a good day at all.
leave. He didn't leave. So he just got to go to court for that. It's just a citation.
Uber Eats brought his food to the house.
In the
So
floor.
he came here looking for food, but his food was delivered to the house.
And I think that's why he got upset. So that's what started the verbal altercation, and then it almost ensued into a physical. And that's when they hit him because they're just like, "Hey, bro, like we gave you multiple times, and you're coming over here trying to be physical." He's just gonna get cited because we could have charged him with simple battery for throwing the chicken nuggets.
But he got his ass whooped. He ain't gotta hit him while he down.
Because that can still be considered simple battery. But to make it easier tonight, and with what's going on with him, I said disorderly conduct, call it a day. And he's just going to be barred here, so he can't come back to this McDonald's at all. So he's barred from here for 2 years. So whenever he comes home, just remind him of that so he doesn't go to jail for a stupid criminal trespass, okay?
Okay.
All right.
We got 1 million people out there. We got a crime scene. We got a dude bust upside the head. The EMS lady is saying, I'm taking him to the hospital. And you up in here, we was good. We was taking him to jail. We was going to get names, do a report. We was on our way. But you just kept going. You can't do this. You cannot do this stuff in public. And if it wasn't me, it was going to be someone else. And if it ain't tonight, it's going to be next week because you got to fix this. You just as wrong as Buddy throwing nuggets at the pregnant lady.
Exactly. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And as always, it's been a pleasure. And that's it, baby. And we out.